Hello everyone, my name is Ana Andrade or Mrs. Andrade, Señorita Andrade, and this is my quick little portfolio. So this is about me. I have my philosophy and my classroom environment, as well as a couple of other courses that I've taken. And this is the 325 Children's Literature. I do have an starter or an opener, just so everyone can feel welcomed. I'm going to click into my virtual discussion assignments, and my personal reflection as well is in here. In most of these little assignments that I've made and that I've created, I've also created videos talking about the assignments, since I know a lot of people don't want to go and read through all of this. So I did do a brief explanation of what the assignment was about. If not, people can also see about the assignment and also a couple of other links. Woo, it's going the opposite. I do want to start with the question. So, which assignment best represents me? The best assignment that represents me and that I'm very, very proud of, it's the Family Literacy Backpack. That one I had so much fun creating. I took my time. I also created a video explaining of how I created the backpack and the materials that I used. I have right here an overview of the description of the assignment, as well as some of the literacy forms that were attached. I do have right here as well, I attached my Google Docs. So in case if people don't want to see the video, or if after watching the video, they can also come here and look at this. Next question. Which assignments are you most proud of? So the assignment that I'm most proud of, it has to be this one and the family literacy, and also I really have to say the author studies, because working with my partner Chrissy was really fun. She's very creative and we worked really well together. Another one that I really had a lot of fun was the book trailer. I know we're almost running out of time. It's the book trailer. I had so much fun creating this book trailer. This is a video right here of my book trailer and a brief description and my reflection. Another thing that I also want to point out, which assignment was the most challenging? I really have to say had to be the family learning conference, mostly because I was not able to make it. And I was able to make it for the first part, to create the poster with my partner, take a couple pictures, prepare and set up for the project, or for the event, but after that I had to go directly to my 5-week course class that was only on Saturdays. Another really quick thing that I do like to point out is I created a little website as well, and I added the 325 Children's Literature. I will also be adding a link back to my ePortfolio at the very bottom, but I have this and I will be posting it on the Wiki if you would like to check it out. Thank you so much and have a great summer.